I'm so happy to see you again. Get ready to have some fun with sounds and letters. Can you guess which letter we are learning today? Let's find out. Today's letter is letter B. This is capital letter B, and this is small letter B, B. Let's say it together. B, B, B. Excellent. Now, let's learn the sound of letter B. Letter B makes the sound B, like in the word ball. Listen carefully. B, 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 B. Very good. Here are some words that begin with the B sound. Ball, bat, bag, banana. Let's say them slowly. B, ball, B, bat, B, bag, B, banana. Great work. Let's sing a short rhyme. B says B, 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 B. In ball, we bounce and play. B. In bat, that flies at night. B says B. Hip hooray! Now, let's sing it one more time. Louder. Let's play a quick game. I will say a word. You tell me if it starts with B. Ready? Apple. Does it start with B? No. Ball. Does it start with B? Yes. Dog. B. No. Banana. B. Yes. You are doing great. Well done. Today, we learned letter B, the B sound, and words like ball, bat, bag, and banana. Say the sound one more time with me. B, B, B. You did an amazing job today. See you in the next phonics lesson. Bye-bye.